Understanding Cut the Cameras, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a popular English phrase, cut the cameras. This phrase is used quite frequently in different contexts, and understanding it can really help in grasping the nuances of the English language. Let's dive in and find out what it means and how you can use it effectively. Cut the cameras originally comes from the world of film and television. In this context, it literally means to stop recording by turning off the cameras. Directors or producers use this command to end a scene, but there's more to this phrase than its literal meaning. In everyday language, cut the cameras is often used figuratively. It implies stopping an action or ending a situation, especially one that is embarrassing, intense, or not meant to be public. For example, if someone is sharing too much personal information, you might say, "Cut the cameras," to humorously suggest that they should stop. This phrase is common in informal settings. It's a way to lighten the mood, signal a desire to change the subject, or indicate that something should not be focused on. Remember, it's often used playfully, so the tone is just as important as the words themselves. 1. After a friend tells an embarrassing story, you might say, "Okay, let's cut the cameras there," to jokingly suggest that's enough sharing. 2. In a heated debate, saying, "Let's cut the cameras," can imply that the discussion should end or take a less intense turn. In recent years, the phrase has gained popularity on social media and reality TV shows, often used dramatically for comedic effect. Understanding these cultural references can help English learners grasp the contemporary use of the phrase. Cut the cameras is a versatile phrase with origins in the film industry but now widely used in everyday language. Whether you're watching a movie, chatting with friends, or scrolling through social media, this phrase is a fun addition to your English vocabulary. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding its use. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.